Next, I want to show how we can use the calculator to find these confidence intervals. And it's very similar to the previous section, only instead of using the z-interval, we are going to be using the t-interval. So number 3 says, use the calculator to confirm your answer for question 1. So let's copy down our information from question 1. N was equal to 5, x bar is 22.2, S is 5.8, and C is 0.95. So we want to use the t-interval command on the calculator. On the calculator, I'm going to press Stat, and then go over to Tests, and then down to t-interval. So it's right below the z-interval. So under the t-interval command, I want to make sure that the input is set to stats, and then I'm going to type all of my information in, and then press calculate. So the t-interval is between 15.0 and 29.4. So that's our confidence interval, and that does match what we got on number 1 when we found it by hand.